If you're looking to enhance and shape your glutes, here are 10 exercises that can help you achieve a rounder butt. 1. Squats. Perform regular squats or variations like sumo squats and goblet squats. Focus on proper form and gradually increase the weight or resistance. 2. Lunges. Incorporate walking lunges, reverse lunges, or stationary lunges into your routine. These exercises target the glutes while also engaging the legs. 3. Hip thrusts. Use a barbell or a resistance band to perform hip thrusts. This exercise specifically targets the glute muscles and helps in building strength and roundness. 4. Glute bridges. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top. Add resistance with a band or weights for added intensity. 5. Deadlifts. Deadlifts primarily target the posterior chain, including the glutes. Ensure proper form and gradually increase the weight as you progress. 6. Bulgarian split squats. Perform split squats with one foot elevated on a bench or step. This exercise engages the glutes while also challenging your stability. 7. Step UPS. Step onto a raised platform or bench, driving through your heel as you lift your body up. Alternate legs and focus on engaging the glutes throughout the movement. 8. Glute kickbacks. Get on all fours and extend one leg straight back, focusing on squeezing the glutes at the top. Add ankle weights or resistance bands for added challenge. 9. Fire hydrants. Start on all fours and lift one leg out to the side, keeping it bent at a 90-degree angle. This exercise targets the glute medius and helps in achieving roundness. 10. Cable pull-throughs. Using a cable machine, hinge at the hips and pull the cable through your legs, engaging your glutes as you stand up. This exercise targets the glutes and hamstrings. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. It's also important to pair these exercises with a balanced diet and overall strength training program for optimal muscle development.